Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Comm 102. I just want to take you quickly through what we're doing this week. A lot of this week is focusing on basic preparation for your informative speech. A lot has to do with sources, finding your sources, using sources, because that's a big part of your speeches in this class, is you have to have 5 credible sources to go along with whatever topic you're speaking on. So those are kind of the main purposes. In this first section, the preparation materials are a lot just dealing with copyright issues, avoiding dishonesty, cheating, really important things. It's just like when you're writing a paper, it's important that you document everything and you know how to do that. So that's what the preparation materials will do for you. So that's the first thing you're going to do. And then this is the usual reading quiz, which hopefully you're getting used to at this point. It's open book. Use your textbook after you've read the chapters. So there's nothing too new on that area. So this one is the sources discussion. Basically what you do is after going through all that material and understanding how to use sources, you go and you find them. And you want to find 5 good, credible sources. And then when you do that, you'll then go through and you'll choose what you think is your best source for your speech. And you'll post that to your discussion group. One thing you'll notice is discussion groups are going to start to shrink down now. So you only have 4 or 5 people in your group. So it's really important that you post and both respond to people in your group as well. So after you find your best source, you find your 5, and you go through them and you choose your best one, and that's what you're going to share on that discussion board. And then once we get to the next one here is your beginning initial outline discussion. So what you're getting ready to do, so next week you're going to do your first mini speech, which basically means you'll give the intro and the conclusion to your informative speech. It's more kind of a practice to kind of get used to doing it. This week you're working on the outline. So in the textbook, it's going to talk to you about how to do an outline, what a complete sentence outline looks like. And as you go through that, you'll write out a complete sentence outline for your intro and the conclusion of your informative speech. So it's not too bad. You'll be doing full outlines, and I'll be giving you more examples of those later on. But this is just to get you started in the process of writing an outline. So read through those instructions. Let me know if anything is unclear on that. This last area deals with how you format your sources. So once you find your sources, you need to get them in proper format, which for this class is MLA format. Now, what this page does, it gives you instructions on how to do this in RefWorks. RefWorks is a great tool. If you end up using it, that's fantastic. Some people have issues using RefWorks sometimes. I don't even stress about that. However you want to put your sources in MLA format. If you just Google bibliography generator, there's lots of tools you can use to do it. RefWorks is one of them, and here's some instructions if you want to use it. Or if you just want to use a book and format your sources so they're in MLA format. It doesn't matter to me. It's more that you just are able to format your sources properly and put them on your bibliography. So that's the only thing that really matters there. And then last is just your participation quiz, which you do every single week. So please go through the material early in the week. Make sure you understand everything. Please ask me questions, and I'm happy to help.